Hey guys! We'll learn in this video how to make a paper boat. First of all, you have to tear a paper. Then cut the extra part of the paper. Then fold the paper downward. Again, fold the paper. Then cut the extra part of the paper. Just to make it equal. Twist the one side of the paper. Then the other three sides. It will look like this. Then twist both sides just like this. It will look like this. And your paper boat is ready.